Band, last week we were talking about the lines of the music staff, and we were going from our E at the bottom of our music staff for every, up to good, burger, desserts, fries, up to our F. Now, there are notes that live above and below our music staff, and some of us have those notes already. Some of us will be learning them in the future. Now, what's really important here is that we're able to use these for our ToneSavvy challenges. We are going to need to be able to identify these notes. So in our tutorial, we're going to talk through those here in tutorial number 2. Let's scroll down a little bit. Now you have 50 of these. Since we did some of these note naming activities last week, I have bumped up the number to complete. Now what comes with that is I kept the number of errors the same at 10, so our standards go up a little bit. We challenge ourselves a little more each time. But I gave you a ton of hints. I gave you 25 hints to use for this activity. So lots of chances to check your work. You can use all of these as you're going through to make sure that you are answering correctly as you go. Let's take a look at this. Now, as we start our activity here, remember that you can use your keyboard to answer your questions here. So I can hit the G key, and then, aha, right away we got one of our notes that lives above our music staff. If you looked and read your instructions, I said that the note that lives above our music staff with a line through it is an A. It lives above our music staff. It has a line through it. It is an A. So I can click down here to answer that question. Let's see if we can get one below our music staff too. E. There we go. Now, clarinets, trumpets, you guys will know this note. It has a line going through it right here, and it is below our music staff. If we scroll down, the note that lives below our music staff with a line through it is C. So there we go. I can answer a C right there. Remember that you have lots of these hints also, and if you were to slide over, it would fit right between B and D, and in our alphabet, between the letter B and the letter D is the letter C. Is the other way that you could do that. If you have a question that was not answered in this video, remember to use the Google form in your Google Classroom. Remember that's your support request. There's a video that shows you how to use that. You can visit my office hours. You can send me an email. There's lots of different ways that you can ask for assistance with this. I am here to help. Game on, Hilltop.